Hi guys, welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making a ground beef chili. Combine ground black pepper, chili powder, salt, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, ground cayenne pepper, and oregano. Set the mixture aside. Select Sauté program and set time to 30 minutes. Pour vegetable oil. Add onion, stir well and sauté for 3 minutes. Stir in ground beef, crush it into small pieces, and sauté it for another 7 minutes. Add bell pepper, minced garlic, tomatoes, red wine, beef broth or water. Wash and drain the beans. Then add beans and spices into the pot. Now it's time for a special ingredient, a chili pepper. Close the lid, turn the steam release handle to sealing position, cancel Sauté program. Then select Bean Chili program. When time is up, open the lid by natural release. Your ground beef chili is ready now. Serve immediately, garnished with sour cream and cilantro. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families.